In this tutorial, we are going to install a pfSense firewall. pfSense firewall is a modular firewall. By default, when you install pfSense firewall, it will install it as a packet filter firewall. Later on, you can install other softwares like Squid Proxy to make it a proxy firewall. You can install Snort, which is an IDS or IPS, and this is how you can install these additional softwares on top of pfSense and make it a complete UTM or Unified Threat Management device. Now, to install pfSense firewall, you need to download the ISO image of pfSense. Now, open the browser and search for pfSense download. You will get the download pfSense community edition option. Click on that. You will go to their website. You will need to register to download that image. It shows a shopping cart, but don't worry, it's completely free. So when you click on the download button, it will take you to their cart. Here you get the option to select the image. Now here you can select accept. Okay, so here you need to select the AMD 64 ISO file. Okay, and click on add to cart. The price is $0, so don't worry about it. So once you click on add to cart, here you will get enter cart option. Click on that. Now once you click on checkout, it will ask you to log in. Now to create a login, here you get option. You can click on create an account. Give your name here, last name, email ID and password, and click on create, and that will create an account. So once you have created the account, you will come to this screen, scroll down and click on complete order. So you'll have to accept the terms and conditions. So you'll have to provide all these details, address and everything. So fill up all these things and then click complete order. Once you provide all the information and click complete the order, you will come to this option. Now here you can get the option download. So click on the download. It will start downloading the ISO image. Okay. So I'll pause the video. Once the download is complete, you will find this file. But now don't double click. It's a zip file. If you double click, it will open by using the default Windows zip unzip utility. So it will show you the folders. But to install, we want an ISO file. So that is why you need to install some unzip utility like WinRAR or 7-zip. I have installed 7-zip. So open that utility, and in that utility, then you can select. So go to users, C:\users, then whatever is your username, select that and then go to downloads, and here you will find this file. So double click on it and you will get this particular ISO file, okay, like this. So select that particular file and click on extract, and you can extract it on any folder anywhere. So I'll select C:\downloads. Remember, I have already created that folder. You can create a new folder from here and put that file into that particular folder. So I'm selecting C:\downloads. Click OK. So it will extract that file and create an ISO file into that folder. Now once that ISO file is extracted, we will start the installation by creating a virtual machine. But make sure you get a file, ISO file, as shown in this particular folder. So this is where you get this ISO file, and we want the ISO file like this.